Running out of stock? Here's the quickest way to adjust inventory on Walmart. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you where to access free training on Walmart. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you stay and become a millionaire on Walmart. And the only way to do that is to conquer Walmart together. Let's dive in. All right, so there's multiple ways to actually update your inventory. So if we go into seller.walmart.com, you're just gonna go to catalog and then you're going to scroll down to any of your items. First off, they need to say published. If it's not published, then there's an issue with your item. You need to fix that first, contact seller support or click on it to see why the status doesn't say published. Next, to update your inventory, if it says seller fulfilled, WFS eligible, or seller fulfilled, you can update your inventory very easily. All you have to do is just click into here and then you just put how many items that you have on hand. So if I have 5 items on hand, you click 5 and then it's going to automatically update in Walmart's system. So right now it says 0 and it probably won't even show up. So we can click view item on Walmart. Right now it's 0. As you can see, it says it's out of stock, and let's see how fast it takes to update. So I'm gonna change it to 5. 5 on hand. And now it says inventory update complete. Was it really complete? Let's see, let's refresh the listing. And it's instantly updated. So it actually was complete, much faster than Amazon, very, very quick. And it's already back in stock. Now it doesn't say it's back in stock on here, but it does automatically update for buyers. Now the seller update is a little bit slower, but I'm gonna change this back to 0. And let's see how fast it changes back to 0. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna refresh and it's already out of stock. Very quick to update. So again, if it says seller fulfilled or seller fulfilled WFS eligible, you can just come in and type in whatever number you want, and then it's going to show up within the next, for me, it was 2 seconds, 5 seconds to show up on Walmart. Now, if it's Walmart fulfilled, what you need to do is go to WFS and ship in more inventory into Walmart, and then Walmart needs to check it in, and then it's going to show up automatically for this. You can't change the inventory directly here on Walmart here on how much you have in hand. Now there is another way that I'm going to show you to update the inventory, and that's downloading an inventory file. So one time I shipped inventory in, and what happened is the Walmart fulfilled inventory said 0 on, it said like this, it was 97 in stock, but on hand it said 0. So I had to contact Walmart. I was like, why is it saying 0? Why is it not showing up? It wasn't showing up, but it said 97. It was weird. A weird internal Walmart error where things weren't working. But the easiest way to fix those is to click update items, update with file, show Walmart templates, and you're just gonna download the inventory update template. Now, when you get this template, it's gonna look something like this, super simple. You're gonna put your SKU, what the new quantity is of inventory, and then simply your fulfillment center ID. So if let's say my SKU, if we go back to our inventory, here we go. And let's say we're updating this item, and we say here is the SKU, it's green 1, 2, 3. And then what's the quantity? I want it to say 999. And what is the fulfillment center ID? So to get the fulfillment center ID, all you have to do is go into settings. Once you're in settings, let's see. Once you're in settings, you're going to scroll down to if it's seller fulfilled, seller fulfillment, and just copy that FC ID. And then you're going to put that in here. Oh, it's actually had the drop down for me. Oh, it's right there. So if you fill out these 2 columns, it looks like it automatically populates it for you. So go ahead and just do that. That was funny. You just do that drop down, it populates it for you. Save that, and then you're gonna go back into Walmart, and we're simply gonna go to manage items. We're gonna put this back in, and then it should update your inventory. If it doesn't update your inventory, copy that activity feed ID after you update it, and then you're going to contact seller support, give them the information, what you want it to be done, and then they should be able to do it for you. You can also triple check if there's any errors. Now, for saying towards the end of the video, I'm gonna be showing you where to access Walmart seller training directly from Walmart for free. A lot of people don't know about this, but all you have to do is go to Google, type in Walmart seller training. The second one down, it says Seller Academy, Walmart Marketplace, and then you are going to open that, and it's going to be free training on everything Walmart, item setup, optimization, shipping, even advertising on Walmart. And it is pretty decent. I recommend to go through it and just to stay up to date on Walmart and figure out how to succeed on Walmart yourself. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Walmart. And if you are a Walmart seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to this channel because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your Walmart journey. If you learned something new, smash that like button. And of course, if you need help regarding anything Walmart, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. This is what we specialize in, especially our #1 service, where we'll come into your Walmart account, we'll make a strategy, help you create listings, contact Walmart, and most importantly, we'll help you increase your Walmart sales. Contact ehpconsultinggroup.com today. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.